Is your torchlight acting up on your Xiaomi phone? No worries, today I'll walk you through fixing this issue so your flashlight can shine bright whenever you need it. Let's jump right into the solutions without delay. Solution 1. Check for hardware issues. First, open the Settings app. After that, tap on About Phone. Next, select Detailed Info and Specs. Then, scroll down to find the kernel version. Tap on it repeatedly until you enter CIT or Hardware Test mode. Now, scroll down and tap on Notification Light LED. Toggle off the button next to the first flash. Check if the torch turns on. If not, consider sending the phone for repair. Before that, try the other options below to see if they help. Solution 2. Turn off camera permissions. To do this, open the Settings app again. Then, scroll down and tap on Privacy Protection. Next, tap on All Permissions. After that, select Camera. Now, tap on apps listed under Allowed all the time and Allowed only while in use. Then choose Don't Allow for each app. If a warning pops up for the camera app, select Don't Allow anyway. And check if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Factory reset your device. For this one, open Settings once more. Then, tap on About Phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Factory Reset. After that, select Erase all data. Then, tap Factory Reset and follow the on-screen prompts. Once done, the issue should be resolved. So, there you have it. How to fix the flashlight issue on your Xiaomi phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. And I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.